Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Easy Learning. Today we are going to look at a very interesting topic, factors of a number. What are factors? Factors are a whole number that you multiply together to get the given number. But before we learn about factors, there are things to note. Number one is a factor of every number. 1 is a factor of every number. Number 2, every number is a factor of itself. Number 3, the factors of a number is always less than or equal to the number. Number 4, every number except 1 has at least 2 factors. That is 1 and the number itself. Factors of 7 are 1 and 7. All right. Example, let us look at the factors of 6. Before we start, make our line like this. Remember I told you that 1 is a factor of every number, and every number is factor of itself. So we are looking at factors of 6. We have to start with 1. 1 times 6 is equals to 6. You have to start with 1. 1 times 6 gives you 6. Then 2. What number can you multiply to give you 6? 2 times 3. 2 times 3 give you what? 6. Is there any other number that will multiply to give you 6? 3 times 2. But we are not going to use 3 times 2 because we have 2 times 3. So what are the factors of 6? Factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, and 6. 1, 2, 3, and 6 are factors of 6. Example number 2. What are the factors of 24? First of all, we make our line. Write our 24. 1 times the number itself. So 1 times 24 gives you the number 24. What number can you multiply to give you number 24? Then 2 times 12 will give you the number 24. 3 times 8 will give you the number 24. 4 times 6. The next number you have is 6 times 4, but you already have 4 times 6. Factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. These are factors of 24. I believe you understood what factors are. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share, comment, and follow me on my Facebook for more interesting topics. Thank you and God bless. Bye.